As Tesla hits my take profit, did I bank half? With PPI before the bell, what else is SPY telling us? Let's go. Before getting into Tesla, let's take a look at SPY today on the daily. As you can see today, SPY was up about 0.5% with average buying volume, and the MACD confirmed the cross above the signal from yesterday. And you can see that we blew through the 20 SMA like it wasn't there, but then got rejected at the 50 EMA. So you see I have the purple line here, and let's just talk about our friend Mr. Elliott a little bit further here. So Elliott wave rules are based on closing prices, no wicks here. So we need to close above 436.29 for me to erase this 5-wave to the downside and then focus on the 5-wave impulsive to the upside. Now I'm hoping this happens tomorrow with PPI, but you never know with it on deck as well as CPI to follow on Thursday. But the good thing is once you get above the 20, we want to see this 20 SMA start to act as support. And even though yields are cooling, they're still holding their 13 EMA, and I'm sure they're awaiting PPI and CPI as well. So again, I'm really focusing on 436.29, and if we're able to close above that, it's going to be a buy the dip kind of market. For Tesla, we'll look at the hourly, but I have other trades I want to share afterwards, and if you subscribe, I'll make sure to provide more of these from my algo as they become available. Now, if you go back and you watch my video from this weekend, you'll notice that I've been focusing in on this channel, and I've also been paying attention to the formation of this pennant as well. So you can see here how this has been forming. So today when we hit the top of the pennant, at the same time we were at the take profit, it made sense for me to go ahead and bank half of the trade. So I sold half of my shares. And you can see in the Discord, I let everybody know that I was doing this, that as this was coming into the take profit and the top of that pennant. So where do we go from here? Well, one thing that would be nice is if we do come back down into this area, since we did have a pretty strong area of resistance, it would be nice to see this act as support. And if this was able to hold and then start to show a reversal structure anywhere in this area, then it makes sense for me to pyramid back in. This is where I buy half of the shares that I sold at a lower price, and then I just make sure that my stop is tighter, around say like 259, regardless of what's going to happen here moving forward. But got to keep an eye on PPI at 8:30 tomorrow morning. Other recent trades I'm in, NVDA was up another 1% today and 1.6% since entering. Palantir was up another 1% today and over 14% since entering. And SMCI, today is the crown jewel, up another 7% and close to 12% since opening. So what's my new trade? It's RCL. I'll show you this one quickly and why I entered it. Now, typically I don't use log on my charts as I'm looking for a shorter term price action, but for over a year now, this one's been in a rising megaphone pattern and has been playing out since under $30, and now we're at close to triple that value at 90. So it makes sense to switch to log. And what do we see? I see it's time to buy again, or I fail fast and get stopped for a 3% loss as I follow the algorithm's buy signal today. And if we look at the hourly, we see that we've been in a downtrend, but being that we tagged 86.50 twice, are we starting to taper? At any rate, I have a 3% stop loss from the buy-in at $90.62. Again, if you want to see what I'm doing, then for $5 a month from the Patreon site, you can get all my algorithms, real-time notifications, and my feedback from the Discord as well. If you're struggling getting into trades, then this is a small price to pay to make 5% or more on a trade. That's all I have for now until the next video, and we'll see you then.